Okay, let's see how to make a link both hot and open in a new window or a new tab. Let's say we're on this CNN page, and for whatever reason, we want our students to see this page. So we want them to click on the link that we give them, and it opens up at this page, but it does not open in the same tab that we're using. So our tab goes into the background while they look at this picture, this web page, and then when they're done, they click on X and they're back in our digital classroom. So we pick up the URL, which unfortunately is outside of the boundaries, but let's say I copy the URL, and now I'm going to go over to where I'm going to insert the URL as a hot link that opens up in a new window or tab. And here we have right here, this is what I'm going to make as my hot link. I could choose one word or the entire sentence, whatever I want. Now, right over here, here is the icon for inserting a link. I'll click on that. And here, right over here, is where I paste the URL that I picked up at the target website that I want my students to go to. So I'll just paste the URL in, and I really don't need a title here, but now here, this is critical, target. Now, the target is the new website. And if it says none, that means that the target will replace the current website, which means that my digital classroom goes away and the students are only left with the new website. And when they're done, they're basically lost in cyberspace. If we're talking about Cambridge College students reading a number of linked websites from the forum, what that means is when you get lost in cyberspace, you have to then go through the very long process of clicking into Cambridge College, clicking into my CC, clicking into the entire sign-in process, getting to our course, getting into the forum, and then making your way down the right forum to the same place. And then when you move on to the next student, you face the entire process all over again, which you really don't want to do. So you're not going to go and waste your time looking at what could be very valuable information. So we will go over here, and instead of choosing none, we will choose new window. The target will be a new window. So we'll click on OK. Okay, and we'll just unclick that. And here you can see that the text has been underlined, which is the standard notation of being linked. And we'll go down to submit. Okay, and let's see what happens here. And yeah, right, we're going to have to go down probably to the third page here. Okay, here is the new post that I posted, and indeed, that link is a hot link. Now the question is, does it open up in a new tab? So we'll click on this, and here we are. This is the target. This is the target site that we want. And the question is, will we get back to the original site. The forum, if I click on the X, and I'm going above the upper edge of the picture, but I'm going to click on the X, and here we are, back at the original location in My Digital Classroom. And now you can go on to the next post that might have a link that you might want to follow. And you can go through all the links that you might want to follow, and you will still get directly back into the original digital classroom. If you don't do this, students will get lost in cyberspace and become very, very frustrated. And in the end, they will not get really, really good information.